Welcome to Transend Rewards. This new program has been carefully designed to reward you for your online purchases on Transend, the industry's leading parts lookup and ordering platform. Transend Rewards is packed with top brand merchandise, exciting travel opportunities, event tickets, and more. As part of this program, you'll be earning points for select online purchases. It's easy. The more you spend online, the more points you earn. Then you can turn those points into some amazing rewards. Soon you could find yourself sporting a new pair of headphones, casting your new fishing rod, firing up your Weber grill, or even relaxing on a Caribbean island. It's all waiting for you. At transendrewards.com, you can keep track of how well you are doing via the program dashboard. Plus, and this is the fun part, you'll be able to redeem your points. Throughout the year, you'll see new promotions and other ways to earn points, including learning opportunities. We sincerely hope you enjoyed Transend Rewards. Remember to make those online purchases.